Okay, so this band is called Snake Fingers, and we just decided that off stage. And they've been working really hard, and I just wanted to take a minute and talk about them. So when they came in, there were 2 drummers and a guitar player, and now we have a bassist, singer, a drummer, and a guitar player, and they actually learned way more than I expected them to in terms of songs, and so everybody who wanted to play drums has played drums and learned a song on drums, but since we only got one song today, we're gonna do Mother by Danzig.
Yeah. Okay, I'm tall enough for this, I think. I think so. Is this my note? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We should probably turn that on. They say, Mother, can you keep them in the dark of life? Can you hide them from the waiting world? Oh, Mother, Mother, gonna take your daughter out tonight, gonna show her my world. songs to encore you with. Well, actually we do, but we don't know the bridge to that one really.